Hello everyone. In this video, I'll give you information about Avanti Tornagalu. I will begin with introduction to our teachers. Then I will tell you what are the services provided by Avanti. Then I will describe about what are the targets that students have to finish throughout the whole year and what is the course duration of class 11th and 12th. And finally, I will conclude my video with result of our most recent batch. So let us begin with introduction to our teachers. First, as academic head, we are having Vishnu sir. Vishnu sir is MTech from NIT Rourkela and having 8 plus years of teaching as well as management experience. He is managing all the Tornagalu center and he can effectively teach physics, chemistry, as well as maths till J advanced level. For biology, we are having Rajesh sir. Rajesh sir is head of Tornagalu center as well. Rajesh sir is MSc in biochemistry and he is ex-faculty from Narayana and having 6 plus years of teaching experience. For chemistry, we are having Anjana ma'am. Anjana ma'am has finished her MSc from MNIT Jaipur and she is ex-faculty from Vibrant Kota. She is having 4 plus years of teaching experience. And talking about myself, my name is Ashish. I am maths faculty here. I have completed my masters from NIT Jamshedpur with silver medal and I am having 3 plus years of teaching experience. So this is all about our Avanti Tornagalu team. Now let us see what are the services that we provide here. I will divide my services in two categories, offline as well as online. If we see about offline, we are providing offline classes 6 days per week with personalized doubt solving session. Here, students can easily get enough time for each subject, physics, chemistry, maths, biology. In online, we are having these three major services, Avanti LMS, Google Classroom, and Avanti Gurukula. If I talk about Avanti LMS, in Avanti LMS, students can track their all the progress, all their attendance reports, as well as their exam reports. All the exams students can give in Avanti LMS, their chapter test, major test, full test. In Google Classroom for class 11th and 12th, generally we are providing them access material, our modules and module solutions in soft copy. In Avanti Gurukul app, students can see all the recordings of our lectures, topic wise for revision or any doubt solving purpose, or if he or she wishes to see any videos prior to the class. So this is all about our offline and online services. If I talk about what are the different tests that we are taking throughout the year, let us see those. I will divide my test or I will divide all the tests in three different categories. Chapter test, major test and full test, as well as subjective test. If I talk about chapter test, we are having 90 plus chapter test for class 12 in Avanti LMS and 60 plus chapter test for class 11. These chapter tests are different for different categories. As for example, for boards level, it is different. For JEE mains or NEET level, it is different. For JEE advanced level, it is different. So that if a student is preparing any chapter, he can assess his preparation or her preparation with respect to this exam. After that, you know that JEE mains, NEET, JEE advanced, these all exams are very lengthy. For these exams, students should require very much patience. Students should be able to sit 3 hours properly and he can be able to or she can be able to jump his mind from one concept to another concept, from one subject to another subject. For that, we are providing them progressive training with the help of our major test and full test. In Avanti LMS for class 11, we are having 10 plus major tests. And for class 12, we are having 30 plus full tests. In major test and full test, after completion of 3 chapters, 4 chapters, 6 chapters, 9 chapters, students can give all these exams and he or she can assess himself or herself and he or she can have the idea that as per the JEE and NEET environment, what he or she has to do next. These all exams and these interfaces are as per the actual JEE or NEET exam. Even we are having this full test in form of JEE advanced level as well. So this was all about our JEE mains and advanced test. If I talk about boards exam, apart from this competitive exam, we know that student has to prepare for subjective exam as well. So for this subjective exam, we are taking subjective exam separately. We are taking its test discussion session and we are providing them guidance separately at proper time, that exactly what they have to write and how they have to write, how much they have to write for each particular question. This was all about our whole the exams during whole the year. If I talk about course duration of class 11th and class 12th, we are beginning class 11th in every year of March month, and the syllabus of class 11 gets finished in the next year of January month. But here our work is not finished. We are taking revision session as well as doubt solving sessions from mid-Jan to mid-Feb, so that students can have all concepts of class 11 in their mind after finishing of class 11. After that, we are starting class 12 from March month and we are finishing it in the October month. In November month, we are providing all the revision of class 11, and in December, revision of all chapters of class 12. So the students can give their JEE mains exam in January effectively. But here, we are not leaving students till JEE advanced, boards or NEET exam. All we are taking all the different level of testing and different level of discussion as per the different exams. Those are your KSET exam, boards exam, NEET exam, BITSET, VIT, all the other such exams. As I already told you that for boards exam, we are taking subjective exam differently. Now, so this was all about Avanti, who we are, what we provide, what are our testing facilities, and how we are taking curriculum throughout the whole year. Now let us see what our students of current batch have achieved with the help of this pedagogy. If I talk about our results, I can divide our results in four major categories. Results of CBSE board, results of KSET or COMET-K, result of JEE mains, as well as result of JEE advanced. So without wasting time, let us see result of CBSE boards. As you can see, in CBSE, these students has scored more than 95% in exam. Jitin, Shashank, as well as Gargi, Anshika. You can see our board's result here. If I talk about our KSET or COMET-K result, so here Shashank got rank 75. Samhita, Satvik, Nimisha, Aryan all have got very good rank. Even if I talk about their COMET-K rank, then Samhita was able to get 183 COMET-K rank and Nimisha scored 600 of COMET-K rank. Samhita and Nimisha, based on their KSET and COMET-K result, now they are pursuing their career in RVC College of Engineering, Bangalore in Computer Science and Engineering branch. If I talk about our JEE mains result, in JEE mains, these students scored more than 95 percentile. In second attempt, Nimisha could able to score 94 percentile and Samhita 96 percentile as well. Through this JEE mains result, Prashant has started learning biotechnical engineering from NIT Warangal. Aryan is pursuing his career in mechanical engineering branch at NIT Surathkal. This was all about our JEE mains result. If I discuss about JEE advanced result, so this year 3 of our students scored, or I can say cleared JEE advanced with flying colors. Shashank, Nitin, Jitin. They cleared this JEE advanced rank with respectively nearly 7,000, 8,000, 9,000 rank. Now, Shashank is pursuing career in computer science engineering from NIT Surathkal, and Nitin and Jitin have started learning metallurgical engineering from IIT Indore. I wish very good luck to all of my students. And let us hear from Shashank what he tells about Avanti, what he feels about Avanti.
Hello everyone, I am Shashank SM and I am currently pursuing computer science from NITK Surathkal. I have been studying in Avanti for the past 4 years and my experience is with no doubt great. I personally feel to crack competitive exams like mains and advanced, coaching is necessary, and for me it was Avanti. Avanti played a very vital role in helping me achieve very good ranking in competitive exams. We had a very organized curriculum which helped me plan everything ahead and also use my time wisely. along with it were the modules which were given. They were very effective and had a wide range of problems which helped me understand my concepts clearly. Frequent tests were also conducted which helped me improve my problem solving skill and also my time management. And post test discussions also helped me correct my mistakes. Another great thing about Avanti were my teachers. They were very supportive and helped me in every aspect during my exam preparations. They taught every concept to its very detail and solved my doubts irrespective of the number of times I asked. They also gave me frequent suggestions based on their experience, which proved to be fruitful during my exam preparation. In a nutshell, my experience with Avanti was great, and I would recommend each and every one of you to join Avanti. Thank you.
So this is all about our Avanti Turnagalu Center. I hope you understood each and everything. Still, if you want to ask any doubt or any query to us, feel free to contact us. Thank you. Happy learning.